Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am UshaBala. So today I gonna show you this Navaratri first day hairstyle. So let's get started into the video. Happy Navaratri all of you. First of all, comb your hair thoroughly that there are no tangles. Take a side partition like so. Take a top section like so. And divided that part into 3 equal parts. And make a French lace braid. I already make lots of tutorials in that French lace braid. I can give in the description bar below, and iCards also I can give the link of that video. So please check out and subscribe my channel. Okay, now top part completed with French lace braid. Now take all our hair into one side like so, and take a small part of that and take a side that small part, and remaining hair divided into 3 equal parts and make a reverse normal braid, normal 3-strand braid. Now pull out the strands like so. It gives very beautiful look of your braid and very thickness of your braid. Now take an elastic and secure at the end like so. And again pull out the strands. Okay, now take that small part and divide it into 3 equal parts and make a normal 3-strand braid. Okay, the normal 3-strand braid was over the middle strands. Okay, reverse 3-strand braid was under the middle strand. Okay, this is okay. Now secure at the end with an elastic. Okay, now again secure together these 2 braids and remove the previous elastics like so. Now take bobby pins like this one. Now secure together the 2 braids to put on the middle of that small braid into bigger braid. Use as many as pins you want and again secure with a beautiful rubber band like this. So that's all to now I am gonna wear some dupatta and accessorize like earrings. So that's all today. So this is my Navaratri first day hairstyle. So I hope you are all enjoying to watch this video. Please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care.